Hello guys, my name is Om Jadhav and today we are going to see the Indian housing analysis project. So this project is done on Jupyter Notebook and as well as Streamlit. And the dashboard, the simple dashboard is deployed on Streamlit and the EDA part is done via Python on Jupyter Notebook. So let's head towards the main Python notebook file. I'm gonna describe each of the main part of the analysis. I hope you guys are seeing this. So yeah, all of the first I imported all the libraries that are required, then used our house pricing CSV file. There you go. This is the CSV file. Now moving forward to the EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. So yeah, Uh, I have first checked if there are any missing values or null values present. So yeah, this was the result found. And for the to check the type of the columns and data, these are the types, data types. So yeah, okay. Now moving toward the next part, I have plotted the graph here using Matplotlib, as you can see. Distribution with KD for ID. This was the result found. For the next part, this you see, it shows the distribution with KD for BHK. Now distribution with KD for size in square feet. As you can see, frequency per size in square feet. Now moving to this next part, distribution with KD for price in lakhs, frequency by price in lakhs on the x-axis. Here is the distribution with KD for price per square feet, distribution with KD for year built, distribution with KD for floor number. Yeah, like that. All the KDs are displayed here using the Matplotlib. Now moving toward the pre-processing part, as you can see, these are the formulas. Yeah, so you can see here the correlation heat map. As you can see, property type, BHK, size in square feet, price in lakhs, all the distribution we have taken before on the graphs. These are described here in the correlation heat map. Correlation with property type, BHK, size in square feet, like that. As you can see, value scale here and color heat map. Now for the next part, splitting the data set, picking out smaller sample. To take the randomly sample 40% of the data, I have used df dot sample FAREC 0.04, then random state is equal to 1. Then here you can see using Panda, we have sampled the whole CSV file. Now, if you want to check the encoding categorical variables, as you can see, yeah. Now, as requested in the PDF, describe the linear regression. Let me go through the linear regression. Okay. So, yeah, decision tree performance metric. This is hyperparameters. ME versus max step. On y-axis, you can see it's mean absolute error, and on x-axis, it is maximum depth. The scale is here written is 2, 5, 7, 10, 12, and 15 here. Same for RMSE versus maximum depth, R2 square versus maximum depth. And these are the parametrics for different metrics. You can pause the screen and look. Otherwise, I'll share the PDF in GitHub as well as the Google Drive also. Now, if you want to go toward the R2 score of heat map depth versus sample slip, depth by leaf, as you can see, this was the data found. So yeah, now for the random forest performance metrics with hyperparameters, MA versus any estimator, MSC versus any estimator. See, now let's move towards the Streamlit part. Uh, as you can see, I have uploaded all the EDA parts in here. I'm not gonna explain each by each because it's gonna take longer than uh, 10 minutes. So I'm not gonna waste my time explaining all the parts. I'll upload this on Google Drive and GitHub. If you have any questions, you can ask me on my LinkedIn account also if you got stuck anywhere. So yeah, I'll show you the Streamlit dashboard in one sec. So yeah, our Streamlit app is running. I have installed all the libraries and also included it in my requirements notepad. And see, let me show you. I have run this using CMD command. So yeah, you want to install the libraries on your CMD first. I have already installed all the. See, these are the libraries that you need to install on your CMD command to run the Streamlit app, and you can hit the pip install also, and all the pip file and .py files are included here. The data set is also included here, as well as on a Kaggle website also if you want to download it from Google. So yeah, these are the simple Streamlit dashboard. As you can see, which shows the housing price prediction app. As you can see, you can select property type, BHK, size, square feet, year built, and state, and you can predict the price. So yeah, guys, that's all about the our Indian housing analysis dashboard, EDA, and Streamlit dashboard preparation. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me on LinkedIn, and I will share all the necessary files as well as data sets with you. So yeah, thank you guys for the listening.